Hi, I'm Lee from Jayco Brisbane Camperland, and today I'd like to show you through the Jayco FA 25-3 Conquest Motorhome. Starting on the outside, we can run through some of the features this model has. There's great storage underneath. There is external storage areas. There's two on this side and two on the other side. We have an external 12-volt point and also 240 for all your power needs outside. This model also features a instantaneous gas hot water system. And while we're speaking about gas, you also have a gas bayonet for the barbecue. We have a compartment specially designed to fit a generator. The best thing about this van on the outside here is this beautiful electric awning. In the kitchen here, we have a 4-burner gas cooktop. Above we've got the microwave. Complementing the kitchen, we also have a nice big 3-way fridge, and next to it is a huge pantry. The double-sized slide-out features a large dining area with an L-shaped couch, perfect for being able to sprawl out. The other side of the slide is obviously the bed. And one of the great features about this model is the full bathroom. Separate shower and toilet, nice big shower, basin, and next to the toilet you've got the washing machine. And temperature control is from your Dometic reverse cycle air conditioner.